Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Crunchyroll on PS5, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Crunchyroll on your PS5, start by turning on your console. From the main menu, navigate to the PlayStation Store. In the store, use the search feature to find Crunchyroll. Select the Crunchyroll app from the search results. Choose the option to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the Crunchyroll app in your library or on the home screen. Open the Crunchyroll app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your credentials using the on-screen keyboard. For new users, follow the prompts to create a new account. After signing in, you may receive an activation code displayed on the screen. Grab your smartphone or computer and visit the Crunchyroll activation website. Enter the activation code you received on your PS5. Confirm the activation and wait for the process to complete. Return to the Crunchyroll app on your PS5. Your account should now be activated, and you can start watching your favorite shows. Explore the app to find new content and options available for streaming. Enjoy watching anime on Crunchyroll through your PS5. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.